Welcome. I've got an exciting new product to share with you in this week's Rockler demo. It's a new clamp. Now I know what you're probably thinking. I've seen clamps that look like that before. And you'd be right. You've seen clamps that look like this before, but this clamp is totally different and there's nothing like it on the market. This is our new spring-loaded clamp. Now this might look like a typical squeeze trigger clamp, but it hides a very innovative feature in this post. A patented spring mechanism that can close this clamp in an instant. Or you can gently feather the trigger for better accuracy. There's no repetitive squeezing of the trigger and no need to use your second hand to push the jaws closed. Now it's obviously great for securing work pieces to your workbench, but I wonder what else it's good for.
Hey, is that the new spring-loaded clamp?
Yeah,
What's it good for?
you can only imagine.
Oh, I'm gonna have to go try this out.
Oh, sorry about that. What were we talking about again? Oh yeah, the spring-loaded clamps. Now they're available in 6-inch and 10-inch capacity versions. So go check them out either at your local Rockler store or online. We can't wait to see what kind of uses you come up with for your spring-loaded clamps. Until next time, I'm Dan Carey with Rockler and Woodworkers Journal. Thanks for watching.